If you want to connect to another computer using AnyDesk, this video will show you exactly how to join an AnyDesk ID in just a few simple steps. Whether you're helping a friend, accessing a work computer, or setting up remote support for the first time, this guide will make the process easy to follow. And if you find this useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. First, open AnyDesk on your computer. You'll need the software launched on both devices for the connection to work properly. On the main screen, look at the very top of the window for the box labeled Enter Remote Address. This is where you type the AnyDesk ID or alias of the computer you want to connect to. The ID is usually a 9-digit number and it should be entered carefully to avoid connection errors. Once you've typed the ID, double-check it before moving on. After that, click the Connect button, which is usually shown as an arrow icon, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. AnyDesk will now send a connection request to the remote computer. At this point, the person on the other end will see a pop-up message asking whether they want to allow the connection. They must click Accept before you can access the device. This approval step is important because it keeps the remote session secure and ensures the remote user stays in control. If the other person approves the request, the remote desktop will open and you'll be connected successfully. From there, you can begin using AnyDesk for troubleshooting, file access, collaboration, or remote support depending on the permissions granted. If the connection doesn't go through right away, make sure the ID is correct, AnyDesk is open on both computers, and the remote user is available to accept the request. Those few checks usually solve most issues quickly. So that's how to join an AnyDesk ID and connect to another computer through AnyDesk. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.